Kiki, and RJ, and Ray.
Hey y'all.
And we are Team Reese Travels. And tonight we're doing something fun. We're doing another Christmas activity. We're on our way to, what's the name of this, babe? Actually, we're here. We're at Fair Oaks Farm for, what's the name of this festival, babe?
Forest of Lights.
For the Forest of Lights. Out my head so I can get a hat on my head because it's cold. Last time I checked the weather, it was only 24 degrees. It's nice in here though.
All right, everybody, so we are inside of the store at Fair Oaks at the event that they're having. This would be almost like the country store that you would see at Cracker Barrel. And so they have a lot of fresh things. As you can see, Fair Oaks fresh apple cider, $8.99 each, or 2 for $15. They have a lot of stuff they make on their own here at these locations. A lot of knickknacks and patty wax and give a dog a bone and everything else. Ha ha ha. So it's almost like Cracker Barrel country store. They have a lot of different things. So they, of course, they have stuff that's Christmas themed and like this tree. It's a pretty cool tree.
Oh, Christmas tree.
And so here's some of the other stuff I was talking about. So they make their own kind of like popcorn, salt, sauces and things like that. I'm gonna have to get out from over there. But they got the music playing. This is a pretty cool tree. It's like down here. Pretty tall tree. I don't know if that's real. I don't want to touch it because if it falls, then they're gonna blame me, so I don't want to do it. And so this is their store. They have like the fresh fudge and things like that. So this is the skate rental area because they have a ice rink out here. Check it out. Pretty cool. It's cold out here, y'all. It's cold as a mug out here. It is approximately 20 degrees. And so this is what we're going to go to right here. It's called the Forest of Lights. They had an entry fee. This entry fee is $12 for adults and $8 for kids. And they also have what's called the ice slide, where kids and adults can go down and slide on ice. Interestingly enough, on tubes. That's what it looks like they're sliding on. I might brought that dog out here. It's cold out here, but dog, Jack. Oh, he got on boots. Yep. Even the dog got on boots. So these are different farming equipment they have put lights on. It's pretty cool. I'll see you. All right, y'all, so we're moving on to the next area. These are some of the trees they have lit up. Almost lit up like it's Halloween out here. All right, we're heading to the Glittering Glade. Hey, I know these two. Can't really see them, but I know them. Hey, y'all.
God, it is cold.
Come on, RJ.
God, let's go. So over there is that shop that we were in earlier where they had like hot chocolate and snacks and stuff and all kinds of shirts and hats and gloves. And over here is an ice slide. It didn't come with the purchase of our tickets. It's like $3 extra to ride it, but I know we all want to do it, but we're all really cold too, so I don't know. All right, the slide was closed for a while, but it's open again, so we're going to check it out. RJ, what are we about to do?
We're about to go on the slide.
The ice slide? That's the ice slide up there. You gotta get in one of these little tube things. Fun event. We had a good time. What you think, RJ?
We should name it funny road trip funny moments.
Road trip funny moments. That's what RJ said we should name it. What y'all think? Anyways, it was a fun day. Ray, are you in agreement with closing this vlog out right now? Thumbs up from him. It's cold, y'all. It was great, but my God, it is cold. It's only like 20 something degrees out here, but that slide was real fun. But with that, we're gonna end the night. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you click the like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. I'm out of breath because I'm halfway running to the car because I'm cold. And shout out to each of our members. Thank you so much for joining the channel. And to those of you who are interested in joining, click that join button or click the link in the description box below. Absolutely no pressure at all. You all VIPs, whether you join or not. Just letting you know that option is there if you want some exclusive content. And until tomorrow, Team Reese, Team Reese all day. Night.